90% of you watching this don't have a content problem. You have a targeting problem because you can make the best videos in the world. But if they're not reaching the right people, you'll get no views, no leads, and no clients for your business. And it all comes down to one thing, your target audience. When I fixed this for one of my clients, we took a brand new channel to 11,000 views on a single video. That same video helped grow his paid community to over 500 members and brought in 2 high-ticket clients purely from organic content. So in this video, I'm going to show you how YouTube decides who sees your videos, the simple shift that attracts the right viewers, and a simple formula for creating videos that consistently turn into booked calls. But first, here's the truth about YouTube's all-powerful algorithm.
So the first thing is how YouTube actually works. So think of YouTube like a giant matchmaker. On one side, you have millions of people searching for answers. On the other side, you have creators making videos. So YouTube's only job you create is to connect the right video to the right person. That is it. So you have this side, you have people searching for answers, ask your YouTube channel, best microphone for podcasting, how to edit faster in Premiere Pro, and then there's creators making videos on this side. So YouTube's job is just to, okay, take this video, give this person, okay, this person should like this video, this person should like this video, this person should like this video. That's all YouTube does. And so YouTube is not just a video platform, it is a recommendation engine. So every single video, YouTube asks one question: which video will keep this person watching the longest? If your video does that, YouTube pushes it to more people. If it does not, YouTube buries it. Simple. So YouTube tracks 2 things to decide who sees your video: click-through rate, the people click on your title or thumbnail; watch time, they even stay and watch. So both of these come down to one thing: does this video speak to the right person? Imagine 2 videos about losing weight. Video A says how to lose weight fast. Video B says how to lose weight fast for busy moms. So which one does a busy mom click on? Video B every time. So YouTube sees more clicks, more watch time, more shares. So YouTube shows video B to more busy moms. So that creator wins, not because they are smarter, but because they understood who they were talking to. It's that simple. So this is like a visual example. How to lose weight. Yeah, we'll probably get views for how to lose weight fast for busy moms. That qualification at the end just makes it more makes it more inclined who she's trying. Maybe she has just given birth, she has a few kids, she added a couple of pounds, she doesn't like it, that she wants to drop it. She's more inclined to check out this video. So here's the truth most creators miss: you do not beat the YouTube algorithm, you win the audience. Then the algorithm follows. So it always has to start with your audience, creating content for your audience. So the YouTube flywheel. So the right audience clicks, they watch, the YouTube says, okay, this person liked this video, or this busy mom liked this video. We have the data on more people like her? Okay, show it to more people like her. The algorithm recommends it to more people like her. More of the right people see it, they click, and it just keeps going. And so your video just keeps getting more of the right people keep clicking on it. It keeps getting views. YouTube keeps recommending it, and it just keeps going again and again and again. So now you know how YouTube works. But knowing the system is only half the battle. The real question is, once someone lands on your video, what do they actually say? And why do they actually buy or not? That brings us to point 2. The psychology of selling. So have you ever walked into a store and the salesperson says, this is a great product, very popular, you should buy it? Basically, he's just saying, give me your money, give me your money, give me your money. I don't care about your needs, I just want your money. And you just walk away. But then in another store, the salesperson walks up and says, I notice you keep looking at those running shoes, and your knee is giving you trouble after long runs. And suddenly you feel seen. Because if you do have that problem, they're like, yeah, actually. So now you want to keep talking. Why? It's simple. Salesperson A put the product first, and salesperson B put the customer first. That's the psychology of selling. The customer has to always come first. It's like a puzzle. When you put the customer first, everything fits. But when you put the product first, you're not trying to make everything, you're trying to force it, and that's not how it works. You have to put the customer first, and then all the puzzle pieces start fitting in. So here in this instance, because you're trying to you put the product first, it's not a fit for the customer. So it's never going to work. You just keep doing this. When you put the customer first, oh, this is their problem, then you can fit your solution into their problems and build trust with them easily. So the customer has to always come first. People do not buy products, they buy the belief that a product will fix their specific problem. When someone feels deeply understood, something switches in their brain. They stop being suspicious, they start trusting. And trust is what turns a viewer into a buyer. 3 things have to happen for someone to buy: they feel like you understand their exact problem, they believe your solution actually works, they trust you enough to take the next step. So think about the last time you bought something without anyone pushing you. Maybe you read the landing page and thought, wait, this person knows exactly what I'm going through. Or you watch a video and say it out loud, this is exactly my problem. Without failing, it's not an accident. That creator did the work to understand you first. They know your struggles, your worries, your fears, your dreams. And when they talk, it felt personal, even though it was just a video. So understanding your audience is not a nice to have. It is the only way to get someone to go from viewer to buyer. And the beautiful thing is, YouTube gives you the perfect place to do exactly this, which is what point three is all about.
Real quick, if you're a coach or consultant already doing $5,000 to $20,000 a month and you want to scale your personal brand on YouTube so you can have clout in your niche and attract qualified inbound leads that are ready to buy or become clients, then this program is perfect for you. At New Horizon Labs, our goal is to help business owners like you get views and sales from YouTube without becoming full-time content creators yourselves. We'll help you book 12 plus calls a month straight from YouTube in 12 weeks using our done-for-you YouTube highway system, or you don't pay. If that sounds great, then click the first link in the description to book a call. Okay, back to the video.
The video salesman effect. So here's the big idea. Every video you post is a salesman working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for free. Think about that. You make one video, you go to sleep, and that video is out there finding your ideal client, building trust with them, and warming them up to buy from you. This is the power of YouTube when it is done right. So here's how point one and point two connect. So remember point one, YouTube pushes videos to the right people. And remember point two, people buy when they feel deeply understood. Now put them together. When your video speaks directly to your ideal viewer's problem, YouTube finds that person for you. Then that person watches, feels understood, trusts you, and when you offer them a solution, they are ready to buy. Essentially, they are ready to buy. Essentially, so basically, this is it. YouTube finds them. Okay, so YouTube is like, okay, oh, this creator just made a video. Let's pitch it to this person. So your video understands them. So this person now is now watching your video. They're like, hey, this is my problem. This actually solves my problem. And then because of that trust, YouTube recommends it to more people like this, and then more people like this end up buying your stuff because they trust you and buy it because they're like, oh, this guy understands us, and because they feel understood and they feel like you understand their problem. I have a solution that will actually solve the problem. They decide to buy, and because YouTube sees people are enjoying the videos, it sees watch time, it sees clicks, it pushes it to more people who are going to buy. So that's how it just keeps going. So let us say you help fitness coaches get clients online. You post a video called Why Fitness Coaches Are Invisible on YouTube and How to Fix It This Week. So a YouTube coach in Australia searches how to get clients on YouTube. YouTube shows them your video. They click, they watch, they hear you describe their exact frustration. By the end, they feel like you built this video just for them. They click your link, they book a call. This is your video salesman effect in action. Most creators make videos about what they want to say. Smart creators make videos about what their audience wants to hear. So the second kind gets clients, the first kind gets frustrated. So the big question is, how do you really understand your target audience at that deep level? At that deep level, this is exactly what point four is about, and I have a formula for it. I call it the dash formula. Your research cheats hope. So most creators guess what their audience wants. They make a video, it flops. They make another, it flops again. It's like throwing darts in the dark. The dash formula turns the lights on. It gives you a clear map of who your viewer is, what they feel, and exactly what words will make them stop scrolling and hit play. So what dash stands for: dreams, alternatives, struggles, headspace. Let's dive into it. So what is the number one goal your viewer wants to achieve? What would their life look like if they got it? So you have to get specific. The more vivid, the better. So now let's look at alternatives. What have they already tried? What solutions have failed for them and why? Knowing this stops you from recommending what they already know does not work. It also allows you to position your solution as better than those solutions. But then the struggles. What is their biggest problem right now? What does a hard day actually look like for them? What exact words do they use to talk about their pain? So now you understand their struggles. So you know, okay, this is what they are going through. And this is one of the biggest levers is you understand what they are going through. And the final is headspace. What do they believe about their problem? What do they think about your solution? How aware are they of what is actually stopping them? So basically, you need to know how aware is your target audience. Do they think your solution is going to work for them? Do they have limiting beliefs? Where is their headspace about their problem? Do they think they can solve this problem, or do they think this problem is impossible? So now let's use a business coach as an example. Dream. Your viewer wants to sign 3 clients per month without cold messaging strangers. Alternative, they've tried posting on Instagram, posting on YouTube, running Facebook ads, and cold emailing, nothing stuck. Struggles, they feel invisible online. They say things like, I post all the time, but nobody reaches out. Their headspace, they believe YouTube is too competitive and takes too long to work. So now imagine a video title that says, why YouTube actually works faster than Instagram for coaches, even with 0 subscribers. Bam. So immediately, this coach's fitness business coach's target audience is thinking, does YouTube actually work better than Instagram for coaches? Because and if the thumbnail now says get 5 class or 3 clients per month, get 3 clients per month, automatically it speaks to them, and the probability that they watch the video is so much higher. So this title hits all parts of his or her dash. Now, I have to be honest with you, we only scratched the surface of this formula today. The full formula goes even deeper. It covers their day-to-day life, their beliefs, their awareness level, and the exact questions that they type into Google and YouTube. So I have built a free mini course that walks you through the complete dash formula step by step. It shows you exactly how to use it to create content that attracts viewers who are ready to book a call with you. So the link is in my description. It is free, it is practical, and it will change how you make every video from here on out. So if you want that, click the second link in my description and check it out. If you want to watch another video on how to get more clients from YouTube, YouTube thinks you should watch the video on your screen. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.